this video, I'll be walking through how to create a variant item as a vendor in Syncrostore. We first want to navigate to the vendor inventory page. We can find inventory under vendor tools and inventory. Once here, there are two ways to add a variant to an item. You can open an existing item. For example, this classic coffee mug does not have variants because it is not indicated with the purple has variants tag. We can open it and then select edit item in the top right to edit the item's variants. As you can see, item currently has no variants. If you're looking to add a brand new item which has variants, you can select the Add New menu under the Inventory Tools tab. This will bring up the item creation screen, in which we can eventually add product variants as seen here. For this example, I will be adding a dress as a parent item with variants of size and color. I will first specify the base item title, quantity, price, and cost. Note that the parent item's quantity will change to reflect the variant item quantity. For example, if I had 5 red dresses, 5 blue dresses, and 5 green dresses, the parent item quantity would update to be 15 instead of 10. In a similar vein, the parent price is inherited by all variants by default. However, if you have a variant you would like to edit the price for example, a larger or smaller dress might cost less or more than the normal size, you can edit the price when we declare variants below. Lastly, the cost of the item is also inherited by each variant, but can be specified individually below. After you have defined the basics for your item, uploaded any photos, and specified additional item details, you're ready to add some product variants. If your store owner or administrator has defined any prefabs for your store, you can select them here. Common examples are clothes sizes such as extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, or colors. For this dress example, I will be adding the attributes of color, which I will type into the attribute box. Once satisfied, I'll click Add Attribute, and I'll do the same with size. Once your attributes are ready to go, you can type in a value underneath each one. For color on this dress, I will have a red as well as a blue option. Note that after each word, I am adding a comma, or you can simply press Enter to add the value. For size, I will add a large as well as a medium size. After you're done defining your attribute values, you can scroll down and click Add Variant. This will generate a default variant with initial values for all of your attributes. You can then modify this variant by selecting each attribute dropdown. For example, if I wanted to define a blue dress in medium size, I could do so like this. Each variant only requires a price and quantity to be specified in order to enter it into the system. Note that SKU is not required, but Syncrostore will automatically generate one for uniqueness, but you can optionally enter your own as long as it is separate from all other items in the store. Cost is also available on a per variant basis. Shipping information should only be specified if your store participates in Trinkovault online shipping. To round off this example, I will say I have 5 blue medium dresses. Then I will generate another variant, scroll down, leave the color as red, and the size as large. I'll then say I have 5 of those, up the price as it is a large size to $60, and the cost to $45. If you find yourself needing to modify all of your variants at the same time, you can select the Bulk Edit All Variants dropdown, where you can set various different quantities of all your variants at the same time. Once you've finished adding all of your variants, you can enter the rest of your item information, such as deals or whether you are publishing on Trinkovault, and then select Save Item. This will enter the item into your inventory, and if we sort by newest, we will see the dress, see that it has variants, and we can view those variants by clicking the green plus on the left side of the item cell. You can see we have our medium blue dress and our large red dress, each at the specified price, cost, and quantity. You can also view the Syncrostore generated SKUs as seen below the title. This has been a guide on adding a new variant item in Syncrostore. If you have further questions, please consult the Adding a Variant Item knowledge base guide, or reach out by opening a support ticket or emailing support@syncrostore.com. Thank you.